Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Just want to show you what I set up here for one of my customers. This is a 36-inch barn chain, 3/8 pitch. He wanted to put on a McCulloch 250, and here's what the finished product looked like. It's a 3/8 pitch, 63 gauge, skip tooth sequence on the chain. See the spacing between the teeth? That's a new chisel bit. That is a roller nose, very popular barn chain. And I set it up with a floating sprocket. It had a spur sprocket. And here's the difference on them. This is a spur sprocket. Has a spur on it. These are really hard on chains. When you throw the chain, it just chews the chain up. And what I put on it was a floating sprocket. And the reason these got their name as a floating sprocket is this rim floats. It lines up perfectly. As it's running, you can see how this just automatically lines up with the chain. And when the sprocket does wear out, you just replace this part. You don't replace the whole drum as you did with these. You just replace the floating sprocket. Very nice setup. Customer also wanted a Pioneer barn chain set up. And I'm going to show you what I did there. That's an old Pioneer motor, just for a pattern I use it for. But this is a 42-inch barn chain. That's a 3/8 pitch also. Has a sprocket nose Windsor. Skip sequence, 3/8 pitch. And just makes a very nice barn chain for that Pioneer chainsaw. If you need a barn chain fixed up for your old saw, you can give me a call at 541-863-5387 and I'll see if I can help you.